Apple has been playing us for years. We all thought the Apple TV was just this harmless little plastic puck sitting under your TV. You know, just a basic, boring way to watch Netflix or rent a movie on the weekend. But massive new leaks from deep inside the supply chain just confirmed that we had it all completely wrong. Apple was not ignoring the living room. They were just waiting. And in 2026, they are dropping a device so aggressively overpowered that it is going to absolutely blindside the entire tech industry. Honestly, this changes everything. We are talking about a complete takeover of your house. It is going to crush expensive gaming consoles. It will make your current smart home setup look like an absolute joke. And it will put a dedicated, local artificial intelligence server directly into your living room. No one saw this exact strategy coming. You need to stop what you are doing and pay very close attention to this. It completely rewrites how you are going to upgrade your home in the near future. The craziest part of this whole master plan starts with the actual brain of the device. For the longest time, the Apple TV just got the hand-me-down chips. It got the leftover silicon from old iPhones. It was always an afterthought. But not anymore. According to a massive new report from the highly trusted site MacRumors, Apple is completely abandoning that old strategy. They are ripping the incredibly powerful A17 Pro chip straight out of their most expensive flagship iPhones. And they are transplanting it directly into the 2026 Apple TV. And here is where it gets crazy. Famous tech leaker ShrimpApplePro chimed in, confirming that Apple is not just adding a faster chip. They are doing this violently. They are doubling the device memory to 8 GB of RAM. Now, why does a simple streaming box need 8 GB of RAM and an A17 Pro chip? Because Apple is going to force its way into the high-end gaming market. Think about it. Most streaming boxes scrape by with just 2 GB of RAM. By putting 8 GB and an A17 Pro in this thing, Apple wants you playing massive, heavy AAA titles like Resident Evil natively on your TV. They want the speed to be instant. French tech site Le Figaro even backed up these extreme hardware claims. They pointed out that the 3nm architecture of the A17 Pro will allow this box to push console-level hardware ray tracing. This means hyper-realistic lighting and shadows in your games. It will do all of this while staying ice-cold and dead silent because the energy efficiency is just off the charts. You are getting a monster gaming rig that uses barely any power from your wall. And it is coming with a base storage of 128 GB, so you actually have room for these massive games. But dominating the gaming space is literally just step one in this aggressive master plan. XDA developers just uncovered something absolutely wild. They found out that Apple has been quietly killing off the ability for older iPads to act as home hubs. Why would they do that? Because they are forcing everyone onto this new ecosystem. Top insider Apple Track confirmed this. They stated that this upcoming Apple TV is being built as the mandatory, ultra-fast brain for your entire house. German tech publications have been reporting heavily on how deeply Apple is integrating Thread and Matter into this new box. If you do not know, Matter is the new universal standard for smart homes. And it changes the game. It means your new Apple TV will instantly connect to any smart device you own, no matter what brand you bought. Think about how frustrating smart homes are right now. You have apps that do not talk to each other. Devices are constantly disconnecting. This box fixes all of it. Your smart locks, your security cameras, your lights, it is all managed instantly. The second you walk through your front door, the lights turn on with zero lag because this device acts as a universal Thread router. It is a total takeover of your physical environment. But hardware and smart lights are nothing without the software to run them, right? And this is actually why the launch was delayed. UK-based Pocketlint leaked that Apple intentionally pushed this device back to 2026. They needed more time to perfect a massive, ground-up overhaul of Siri. Mark Gurman, basically the most trusted Apple leaker on the planet, corroborated this exact timeline. He noted that the delay is all about bringing full Apple intelligence straight to the Big screen. Because that A17 Pro chip is so freakishly powerful, all of this AI is processed locally on the device itself. It does not have to bounce your voice to a cloud server in California and wait for a response. It is absolutely instant. Your TV will finally understand complex, multi-layered questions. You can ask it about the actors on screen in real time. Or you can tell it you have had a terrible day, and watch it generate highly specific, mood-based recommendations in a split second. To handle all this heavy data, you need an insane connection. An international site, TechRadar, leaked that Apple is developing a brand new custom wireless chip called the N1 just for this box. Code sleuths actually dug deep into Apple's beta software and found unreleased identifiers proving they are actively testing this right now. This one chip makes the 2026 Apple TV Wi-Fi 7 ready. This guarantees zero network buffering. It means massive uncompressed 4K streaming. And it provides rock-solid Bluetooth 5.3 for your headphones and gaming controllers. Now, you are probably thinking a device with an A17 Pro, 8 gigs of RAM, Wi-Fi 7, and a dedicated AI server is going to cost like $400 or $500, right? Wrong. This is exactly where Apple is going for the absolute kill. Legendary supply chain analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, a guy who is rarely ever wrong about Apple's back-end plans, just dropped the ultimate bomb. He explicitly stated that Apple wants total, absolute market dominance over Roku and Amazon. And to get it, they are targeting an aggressive sub-$100 price tag. Let that sink in. Even if they miss that mark and launch the base model at $129, the industry is going to flip upside down. The value proposition here is completely ridiculous. You are getting a high-end console, a flawless smart home brain, and a dedicated AI hub, all for the price of a cheap dinner for two. It is a brilliant game of chess. Apple is about to put the entire living room market into checkmate. They have made something too powerful to ignore and too cheap to pass up. I honestly cannot wait to see the panic from Sony, Microsoft, and Google when this thing officially drops. In my honest opinion, if Apple actually pulls off this $100 price point with these exact specs, it will be the greatest tech steal of the decade. They are taking a massive loss on the hardware just to trap everyone inside their ecosystem, and honestly, it is a trap I am perfectly fine walking into. The sheer value of replacing a clunky smart home hub, a basic streaming stick, and a casual gaming console with one tiny, beautiful Apple device is unbeatable. What do you guys think? Are you ready to ditch your old consoles and broken smart hubs for a $100 Apple supercomputer in your living room? Drop your thoughts down in the comments right now because I want to hear your take on this. And hey, if you liked this video and want to stay ahead of all the biggest tech leaks, make sure to subscribe, share this video with a friend, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.